Hey y'all, it's your girl Shamira. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already and follow me on Instagram at HHJ underscore mommy and daughter. I want to talk to you guys today about my first free products that was sent to me. So I'm really excited. So I'll just be doing a little unpackaging with you guys. I already started using one of the products, but I will talk to you about them today. So it's from Novio products. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but they specialize in like regrowing hair. So when I first opened up the packaging and started reading it, I was a little weary of some of the packaging. So I'm just gonna take out this bad boy, which is still packaged up, but let me take it out and show you guys. Okay, so it's Monovio hair regrowth treatment. So clinically proven to help regrow your hair, revitalizes hair follicles. This is 1 month supply. Read and keep carton and leaflet for full product information. Active ingredient minoxidil 2%. Hopefully I pronounced that right, but that is the ingredient, the main ingredient in Rogaine, sorry. So from what I hear about that ingredient is that once you start using it, you have to continue because the hair that grows will fall out once you stop. So that ingredient alone is very scary for me because who wants to be stuck to a product for basically the rest of your life? So that's not something I want. And then when I read further, it says, do not use if you have no family history of hair loss, your hair loss is sudden or patchy, your hair loss is associated with childbirth, you do not know the reason for your hair loss, you are under 18 years of age, you do not use on babies and children, your scalp is red, inflamed, affected, irritated, or painful, you use other medications on the scalp, ask a doctor before use if you have heart disease. When using this product, do not apply on other parts of the body. Avoid contact with the eyes in case of accidental contact. Rinse eyes with large amounts of cool tap water. Some people have experienced changes in their color or texture. Stop use and ask doctor if chest pain, rapid heartbeat, faintness, or dizziness occurs. Sudden unexplained weight gain occurs. Your hands or feet swell, scalp irritation or redness occurs. Unwanted facial hair growth occurs. If pregnant or breastfeeding, ask a health professional before use. Girl. Okay. To me, it sounds like one of those aspirin or medication commercials, and you have it for chest pain and it causes everything else. Like, this scares me. I don't want to take this because one, in my family, alopecia does run in my family. I do not have that. Hopefully, knock on wood. Ooh, sorry. I never get that at all. But if I don't have it already, should I be taking something that already like is associated with that? And my daughter is 12, so no, this scares me. I will not use this. I think this is definitely for people that are up to that point where they have huge bald spots and they've tried everything and this is your last result. This is when I would use a product like this. Thank you, Minoval, but this product I definitely will not be using. I also received Novio hair growth system, and it's a lotion. Non-greasy daily use hair moisturizer with argan oil. Replenishes colored permed hair for dry damaged hair. Protects hair radiant validity. Restores hair silky shine. Moisturizes. Directions: take a small amount on your hands, apply to the hair, and massage gently. Use twice daily. Ingredients: water, glycerin, cetyl alcohol, methanoium methyl sulfate, polysorbate 60, PEG 150, starate 20, polyquaternium 6, collagen hydrosate, pathanol, argan oil, methylparaben, paraben, DNC, orange off. Okay. For me, it sounds like a bunch of ingredients that aren't really good for your hair. And I heard parabens. Did you hear that? There's like 2 different types of parabens, which I do not use on my hair. So this is also something that I will not be using. But what I can do is, for anybody that is like experiencing extreme hair loss and would like to try it, I will definitely send it to you. But I will tell you about a product that they sent that I did start using for both me and my daughter. So it's a Monovio Replenishing Edge. Is it gel? It says help grow back a thin hairline. So my daughter has had box braids and her hairline is very fragile. So she experienced some great breakage on her edges, and I started using this. I spray my little DIY concoction first, and then I'll put a little bit of this. It says Replenishing Edge is enhanced with the main lipid found at the hair surface, which is often lost after chemical treatment. It restores hair to a more hydrophobic state, thus restores life, moisture, bounce, and body. So, and I've been using this just because I've gotten braids recently, and my braider, she literally braids everything. So for extra protection, because I always make sure I grease my scalp and things like that, I've started using this on my edges. So kind of looks like that. It doesn't have an ingredient list, but I checked on their online and their website, and it has 3 ingredients. Let me see. This is their little flyer that came along with it. The main ingredient for that is Novio, which is the name. Non-greasy gel treatment, helps replenish regrowth in edges, napes, and temples. Visible results within days. Formulated with castor oil and minoxidil. Oh, it is minoxidil included in there. Hair types, damaged and thinning. So the interesting part is that I have used this on both me and my daughter, and I feel like my daughter's edges are growing. And I can't say that it was that, because it's it's travel size and it's very small, and I've been using it for maybe a week and a half. So I don't fully want to associate it with this, because I have been massaging her scalp. I'm spraying my DIY scalp spray. It used my oil mix. We use rice water wash day. So it's a bunch of things that I am doing. Her hair is growing, but it just grows slowly. So I can't say it's completely that. I personally have not seen a change in my edges for that. And lastly, Novio Castor Oil Sample. So online, this is basically just, I was about to say Jamaican, but it's Haitian Castor Oil. This I will use once I figure out how to include it in my hair regimen. It smells like castor oil. And And Haitian castor oil has to be a little bit stronger than Jamaican. So I believe that is the only difference. And they're both unrefined, as you can tell, because it's dark. But I think I will use this because it's supposed to be 100% Haitian castor oil. So I think I will include this in my hair regimen, but I want to figure out how and when without kind of doing too much. And that is all. But I am excited about getting free products, and I will eventually review, do another video about the Haitian castor oil and the edge control, which, well, I don't want to say edge control because it really doesn't do no controlling at all. It slicks it in the moment, but that's it. So, and that I will finish that container, but I'll use sparingly because of the ingredients, monoxynol. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. So yeah, that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.